Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup for baby. Start by washing and peeling 2 medium potatoes, then dice them into small pieces for even cooking. Boil until very tender, about 10 to 15 minutes, then drain and reserve some cooking water. Mash with breast milk, formula, or unsalted vegetable broth until creamy and smooth for easy swallowing. Serve warm and test temperature before feeding. Gather 2 medium potatoes, 1 small carrot, and a little unsalted vegetable broth or breast milk. Peel and dice potatoes and carrot into small, even pieces to speed cooking and create a smooth blend. Measure about 1 cup of liquid to start and add more as needed to reach a spoonable consistency. Keep seasonings minimal and avoid salt, honey, and cow milk for babies under 1 year. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a fun way to play gentle music during feeding and set timers hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place diced potatoes and carrot into boiling water and cook until very soft, about 10 to 15 minutes. Reserve about 1/4 to 1/2 cup cooking water before draining to adjust consistency later. Transfer cooked vegetables to a blender or mash by hand, adding breast milk, formula, or reserved water a little at a time until smooth. Cool slightly and test thickness and temperature for safe feeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.